how to add Bluetooth to an iPod Classic. First we got to open it up, which is pretty easy. All you need is a metal pry tool. Then we can disconnect the battery, the old hard drive and the headphone jack flex cable. Now we can remove the old battery and unscrew the headphone jack, which is where we'll be soldering the Bluetooth board to. We can solder 3 wires to the bottom of the headphone jack to get the audio signal. Then solder those to the Bluetooth board. Now we got to run positive and negative wires to go to the battery. I converted the lock switch to a power switch, which can be used in order to turn the Bluetooth on and off. I also installed a button behind the lock switch as well. This will be used for pairing and can be activated by pushing in the lock switch. I then wired it up to this new 3000 mAh battery, which is over 4 times bigger than the original. Now we can reattach the front half and install a slimmer 160GB hard drive. You can also replace the hard drive with an SD card, but in this case the customer wanted to stick with the mechanical hard drive. I then plugged it into the computer, restored it with iTunes and gave it a test before sealing it back up. And there we have it, a Bluetooth modded iPod Classic. Would you use an iPod with Bluetooth?